Being divisive in church, acting holy, throwing dirt. Whispers in the hallway, cutting like a knife. Smiles on Sundays, but we sabotage lives. We sing about love while we tear apart the pews. Quoting every verse that lets us weaponize the truth. Pointing at the speck while we hide our own beams. Trading grace and mercy for our petty little schemes. Whispers in the foyer, poison in the prayer. Smiles that hide a dagger, plotting in the chair. Sermons turn to gossip, fingers point and sting. Every wounded ego thinks it wears a kingly ring. Lines in the carpet, sides in every row. Picking up offenses like a badge we show. But heaven hears the slander, watches every scheme. Nothing stays in shadow under eyes that never sleep. Satanic pew splitting, tearing at the seams. Wolves among the worshipers, choking out their dreams. But the judge is standing, gavel in his hand. Fire on the chaff and shaking in the land. Every whisper lie, every secret plan. God will weigh it all and make the sinners stand. Coffee cup conspiracies, murmurs in the hall, daggers in the deacon's grin. Pride before a fall, doctrine used like dynamite, not to heal but harm. Scripture twisted sideways just to raise alarm. Faction after faction, banners draped in right, using holy language just to stir up fight. But angels mark the ringleaders, number every few. Heaven's court is open and the charges cool and true. Satanic pew splitting, bleeding out the bride. Schemes inside the sanctuary, serpents in the tide. But the judge is watching, thunder in his voice. Candlesticks are shaking, candles lose their choice. Every slide divide, every sharpened tongue. God will crush the plotters. Judgment's bell is rung. You sowed the seeds of chaos, called as ill for truth. But God saw the arrogance, the rot beneath the roof. You split the weakest brethren, fed on every doubt. Now the lions in the temple driving Judas out. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, holy backroom deals. No, oh, oh, unrepentant steel. Hearts laid bare before his throne. Every secret scheme made known. Satanic, you splitting. Harvest of your hate. You built your little kingdom, now you place your faith. But the Lord is righteous, burning through the dross. He will heal his people, but he will not spare the lost. Every crooked heart, every heart and mind falls before his verdict. God divides what you divide.